24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano explicitly is drifting at $75,394,695 in a genuinely significant manner. ADA down roughly 0.06% inside the in every way that really matters, most recent 24 hours in an extremely large manner. Cardano's EMA10 really shows a kind of descending pattern, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Cardano especially shows negative force throughout the end of the week, which truly is very critical. 15 October 2023, in this article we will really walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these habitually sort of gotten clarification on some things, facts. What certainly is especially transient cost expectation for Cardano, essentially is ADA an excellent interest in a sort of huge manner. Cardano support and opposition levels and so forth, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. However, prior to plunging especially profound into the ADA specialized investigation, in every practical sense, let us generally discuss the especially current economic situations, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Market investigation over the last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to $1,056,887,880,723, showing that market examination over the very last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing this sort of whole digital currency market to $1,056,887,880,723, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $16,142,267,714, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a predominance of 16.33%, exhibiting how Cardano's EMA10 sort of shows a truly descending pattern in an in every way that really matters, huge way. Which in every way that really matters, brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,031.64 level after a vertical development of 0.61%, or so they certainly thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $1,559.84 during the past 24 hours, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $209.67, following a value change of 1.54% inside a similar time span in a genuinely significant manner. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, generally is up by 0.36 and presently exchanging at 49 cents. Pretty further appearance how market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there by and large, was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the fundamentally whole digital currency market to $1,056,887,880,723, exhibiting that market examination over the especially last 24 hours. There essentially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to $1,056,887,880,723 in an unpretentious manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which fundamentally shows that the for the most part complete exchanging volume really remains at $16,142,267,714 in an unpretentious manner. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market basically is going in a genuinely descending heading for in every practical sense, present moment, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. As of now, a general kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Cardano backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they sort of thought. Support generally is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become essentially more genuinely dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so Cardano for the most part shows negative energy throughout the end of the week in a genuinely large manner. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which dealers basically become move in every practical sense, dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that these occasions especially demonstrate that the market basically is going in a genuinely descending heading for essentially present moment, or so they explicitly thought. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano, ADA. Cardano execution ADA for the most part has recorded a downtrend, losing 0.06% in kind of most recent 24 hours in a fundamentally significant manner. The especially current worth of Cardano basically is floating at 25 cents, with the exchanging volume of $75,394,695 United States dollars in the equivalent time span. So following fundamentally are the help and opposition levels of Cardano, ADA. Cardano execution ADA most certainly has recorded a downtrend, losing 0.06% in sort of most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. The sort of by and large market cap for ADA really is $8,692,664,351 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 3.87% over the course of the week, so these occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market certainly is going in a for the most part descending bearing for essentially present moment, which certainly is very critical. Cardano Value Investigation ADA Cost Examination for 15 October 2023, inside a very everyday time period, basically made sense of beneath, exhibiting that market investigation over the absolute last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing this sort of whole digital money market to $1,056,887,880,723, showing that market examination over the absolute last 24 hours. There most certainly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $1,056,887,880,723, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. We utilize really relative strength INDEX RSI, moving commonly normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including truly basic moving truly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving in every practical sense, normal, EMA, to in a real sense, examine the future development of the Cardano. Most certainly further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which in a real sense shows that the truly all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $16,142,267,714 in a truly significant manner. The ADA United States dollar moving truly normal union and difference, MACD, marker, really is showing in every practical sense, present moment generally sell especially signal, as the MACD line explicitly is moving beneath sort of sign line which in every practical sense implies generally bears by and large are overwhelming on the lookout, which explicitly is very critical. While ADA's Williams %R marker certainly is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange kind of sign for the most part is genuinely conceivable at this reach, so Cardano support and obstruction levels and so on, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13, and so